Hey guys, on today's video we're going to do a quick setup of this vacuum. So it's really easy. We're going to go about the basics right away. So let's get down to it. So here it is, all brand new. So all we have to do to set this baby up is just turn it around. First of all, you guys are going to see this. So this, take out. Alright, then what we have to set up are those guys right there. So let's just take these guys. So you have these, you have to place them here. And it doesn't matter which one goes where. All you guys have to do is spin it until it fits in. With the coin, you guys are gonna lock it this way. Alright, so it does tell you right here on the arrows where it's locking and where it's not. Okay, so you guys can open it one way and lock it the other way. So you guys are gonna hear that clicking sound. That means it's locked. Plus, it doesn't come out. Alright, if you guys want to unlock it to clean it up later on, it's gonna sound, and now it comes off. It's that easy. So we're just gonna lock this one up. We're gonna put in the next one. Just to show you, so you guys can clean this up later, because it's very important to clean this up so this works properly. A lot of people have problems, usually have problems when they don't clean this enough. Okay, so in order to take this out, all we have to do is pull it this way. Okay, so here's the wheel. Okay, so pull it towards the wheel. And then, once I pull it towards the wheel, I can pop it out. So it just kind of pops out. There you go. And then inside here, this is also very easy. All you guys have to do is pressure this way. Okay, so I'm putting pressure towards this way first. I'll just show you again. So I'm gonna pull this way. It's gonna snap out, and then all I have to do is pull it out. Sometimes it can be a little bit tricky. Just do it slowly, and then you guys will get the hang of it until it comes out. So you guys will hear some clicking, and that's perfect. Okay, so because this is metal and that's plastic. To put it back in, same deal. Put it in this way. Just put some pressure until it pops in. From there, you guys just have to put this back after you clean it up. And there you go. It just snaps in, as you guys could see. So those are your basics down here below. You're all set here in cleaning and taking these guys out. Again, keep this clean. It's gonna work perfect. So we're gonna turn this around. Right here, obviously you guys want to take out everything that your vacuum took in. It's pretty easy. You just have to press this. This is supposed to pop open, and you guys will see you have this space in order to take this out, right? It's very important that you take it all out. You guys could just take out the lid, sure. I don't recommend that. Just take everything out and then do the rest, okay? Also maintain this part inside clean. So in here, all the dust will collect and your filter's in there. So if you just pop this open, your dust is gonna be there. Here's your filter. Your filter is very important to keep it clean, okay? So what you guys need to do is take it out, shake it up, okay? If you guys have a blower or something like that, use that in order to clean it up. Then you guys can put it back in and you're ready to go for another round, okay? So I always recommend every time that you empty this, also clean your filter and then go on. You did get another filter that came with your vacuum. So here it is. So it's good to change them every once in a while, but you guys can maintain them pretty clean just by blowing with air, okay? In order to install it back in, same deal. All you guys have to do is pop it in there, close the lid. You guys hear that? That means it's locked and you're ready to go. Okay, so that's pretty much setup that you guys need for this. Now we're gonna have to charge it up before we do anything. And before you guys charge it up, right here, it's where you guys have to turn it on, okay? There's your DC, by the way, but we're gonna set it up so it charges by itself, right? Right here, even on the sticker, you guys can see that it tells you that you need the power to be on in order to begin charging. So make sure this is flipped on. So we're gonna turn it on right now. That means it's on and we can begin charging. Our next part is about setting this guy up. So we're just gonna go over the basics, okay? If you guys want to schedule everything out and all that stuff, that's just to do with this. We won't go over that, don't worry, we'll do a quick setup. So first of all, it's taking out this, okay? You guys don't need this, so take it all out. And you guys want to take it out of here. That's because this will stick to your floor. Alright, so you guys do need to take this out in order for this to stick on your floor and be steady there. You guys do want it to be against the wall, pretty flat, okay? And before even you guys do that, back here, that's where you guys have to hook this up, your DC. So here's my DC. You guys can just run the cable through here, plug it in right here. There we go. Then we're going to connect this up. Okay, and then we're gonna put this against the wall. So once we have that plugged into electricity, you guys should see something like that. Okay, and this robot, make sure it's turned on. Then we're just gonna place it against there in order to charge. Once we place our robot against this, we should see a red light, okay, flashing. The flashing, okay, that just means it's charging. Now once you guys are setting this guy up against your wall, okay, just make sure you guys have 2 feet on either side. So you guys need 2 feet that way, 2 feet that way. Okay, if you guys don't have that, there will be problems. Now just to explain the lights that you guys are gonna see, right now it's flashing red, which means it's charging. If it's not flashing red, but it's actually just a steady red, that means it's low battery, okay? If it's blue, then that just means that the vacuum is active, that's all. And if you guys see that it turns green, that just means that it's gonna double clean, okay? It's active, and it's doing the double cleaning. So you guys are good. If you guys don't see any lights, that actually means that it's fully charged and you guys are good to go. So once that stops flashing red and there's nothing displayed, that means it's fully done and charged up. For this to fully charge, you guys are looking at 4 to 5 hours. So this was your main setup. That's all you guys had to do in order to get started. All you guys have to press once this is fully charged is the power button. So it's just gonna clean once. Now the robot, once the battery is really low, it's gonna go back right there by itself. So you guys don't have to worry about that. Again, so you guys can set up some scheduling, set up your clock and everything if you guys want to do that. That's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.